Hello loves, welcome back to Thoughtful Savvy Mom. My name is Gigi, and in today's video I'm going to bring back an oldie but a goldie. I'm making arroz con pollo, chicken and rice, and it is one of my favorite recipes, and I'm going to use my Instant Pot. I know many of you have requested this video, and I'm going to walk you through. I've prepped everything ready to go, so I'm just gonna do a little description. I will link the recipe below. I will also have a printable sheet available on my website. If you join my newsletter, you will get the recipe sent to your inbox. If you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, you will see videos on motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, motivation, recipes, lots of good stuff. Curly hair girl stuff. If you're a curly girl, that is my newest adventure on my channel, so be sure to subscribe. We can be friends on Instagram at Thoughtful Savvy Mom. We can connect there. You can tag me in your stories to let me know you are watching today's video. And today's video is extra special because I am collabing with Laura Ann. She is my friend on YouTube, and she and I are both going to make some yummy recipes to share with you and your family. So be sure to go check out our channel after you watch mine. And with all that said, let's get right into arroz con pollo. Alright, so I'm going to brown the chicken. I'm going to set my machine to saute, add some butter, and brown the chicken. I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes on each side, so when I flip the chicken, it's nice and... You know what we could be, like a song, like a perfect match. I marinated the chicken in garlic and salt for 30 minutes before cooking it. I'm going to add the chicken and brown it. And these are chicken thighs. While now, so I'm just going to give it a turn now. If you try to turn it and it's stuck at the bottom, that means you want to let it cook a little longer. Alright, so I am separating the chicken here, taking it off, moving it to the side. And if it falls apart, it's okay, because eventually the chicken is going to be broken up. But I'm going to move the chicken and use a wooden spoon to deglaze it. A little bit of water. This is really going to enhance the flavor. And now I am going to saute the red bell peppers. This is one whole red pepper, but it was like a small size red pepper, so I'm just gonna put all of that. And I did a medium Spanish onion. I'm going to let that cook for 3 minutes, or until I see that the onions have crystallized and cooked down. All right, I have the saffron. Okay, I'm gonna put this amount on there, and I'm going to scrunch it up, break it apart, and I just took 3 tablespoons of warm water just to let it sit in there. And break it up, pinch it together. about a tablespoon of saffron, give or take. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna go to the next step. All right, so now I am going to add half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, now for the chicken stock, I have this, and it's the home style stock, and basically 1 is equivalent to 3.5 cups of water. This is gonna work out just fine because I'm making it with brown rice, and the brown rice needs more water for cooking, so it's gonna work out just. Now I had a little bit of chicken stock pre-made already in a little cup, and I added that on there. So I'm gonna add a little bit more because it's brown rice. So I'm going to go with 3.5 cups of water. All right, so I'm gonna put a total of 3 cups of water. I'm going to add my brown rice. I'm going to give it a good stir, mix. Lastly, I'm going to add the saffron. Oh, that smells so good already. I'm going to let that come to a boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then I will set it to Instant Pot for pressure cooking. All right, and any good cook knows that we need to clean while we're cooking, so I'm just gonna quickly wash some stuff. Got the dishwasher going and waiting for the 5 minutes. So this has been boiling for 5 minutes. I'm going to attach my lid. I always want to make sure that the rubber seal is in place. You have this piece in there. You can take this off to clean the machine. But I'm going to go ahead and close it. And I'm going to make sure this is closed on top so that no venting is coming out. And I'm going to set it to pressure cook for 17, and I want to make sure the pressure is set to high, and we're just going to wait for it to finish. So it's beeping, the machine is ready. Once the pressure rises, the machine will start cooking, and 17 minutes later this will be ready. Now I am going to let the pressure release naturally, and I'll let you know from there on. So I'm going to make my bed while my food finishes up. And today is Monday, so I wash all the bedding today. And I'm going to clean my kitchen today later on during my power hour. So just taking you along. So let's go. was checking, it was at 21 minutes post cooking, and now it's at 29, and the pressure has completely gone down. So I'm just gonna make sure by pressing the vent button, turning it, everything's good. All right, so the chicken is extremely, I mean, just falls apart really well. It is a little watery, but this is the first time I make it with this brown rice, but I don't think it's a bad deal. I think it has a good consistency. The rice doesn't look too mushy, and this will make the meal even taste better because it'll all absorb. So I'm going to take a taste test and see how it tastes. You want to taste them? Okay. Put a little rice, a little chicken. Oh, and I also need to add the peas. I'll add those now. All right, so there's my little taste. I'm gonna let that cool off. I'm gonna open the peas. I'm going to add half a cup of this can. This can is 15 ounces, so more or less about half of these. Alright. Alright, so the moment of truth. Taste test. Got somebody over here trying to get it. See. So good. The salt is right on point. The rice is so good. It's so juicy. The chicken.
Give me it.
Now see if Mariana's gonna like it. Here we go. Mariana, come. No. I got everybody jonesing for this meal. You wanna try it? All right.
Give me it. Give me it.
Okay. I don't want you to make a mess. Okay, try it and I'll give you a big bowl. ¿Está rico? ¿Prueba el arrocito? Pruébalo. ¿No? Alright, so it is dinner time. It is actually 6 o'clock. And my little one is asking me for a big bowl of this meal. The arroz con pollo came out delicious. I'm very happy with it. I hope you are too when you make it at home. The recipe will be in my description box, but I will also have a printout for you on my website. And remember to go check out Lorianne's YouTube channel. She also made a yummy, yummy recipe. And remember to subscribe if you're new. And also, the what?
The baby.
She's being silly. And remember, we can be friends on Instagram. Tag me in your stories if you are making your recipe. I would love to see you in action as well. So with all that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.